Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Microsoft Store is not working on your Windows. So in this case, you can download your favorite apps in the Store app. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type settings. Click on settings under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply locate apps, installed apps. Now in the search bar, type store, click on system components. And here you will find the Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots, select advanced options. Scroll down and you will find repair. Click on that. Now once you click on the repair button, try to see if that helped you fix the issue. But if not, then completely reset it. Click on the reset button and reset button once again. Now close this. For the next method is we need to make sure that you are in a current correct date and time. You can always check that from here at the bottom right corner if you are in a current correct date and time. Now if you are not in a current correct date and time, right click on it, or you can simply click on the start button and click on settings. Click on time and language, click on date and time. Then you can turn off these options, and then you need to set that date and time manually and simply change that from here. And once you have changed it to the current correct date and time, turn on or enable these options. Then for the next method, we can also clear the Microsoft Store cache. So right click at the start button and select run. Now here in this run window, simply type ws reset.exe. It's ws reset.exe. Click on OK. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache, and this will also bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. So from here, you can simply uh, search for your favorite apps and games and install it. Then for the next method, we can also run the system file checker scan to repair our Windows. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now click on run as administrator. Then here is simply type sfc space / scannow. Hit enter. So the system file checker scan will check and fix for all system corrupted files and repair your Windows. So while the process is going on, you should not close it. You can just simply minimize it. And once the process is completed, then close it. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, one thing that we need to make sure is our Windows operating system is updated. Now click on the start button, click on the settings icon. It may be simple, but it is one of the great fix or helpful fix for this issue. Click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will check for all the updates on your Windows and make sure that your Windows is updated. Now once done, close out of here. And after that, you just need to check your Microsoft Store. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.